Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're gonna go over a new dance today. This is the American rhythm style Mambo. So we're gonna teach you that today. We're gonna start with the side basic.
All right, leaders, foot directions for the side basic and Mambo. I'm gonna go forward for a rock step, back replace, side, and then I'm gonna go back rock, replace, side. There's a lot of footwork options here, but I'm going ball flat, ball flat, ball, flat, and then here I can either go ball flat, or just ball, ball flat, ball here, right? And then flat eventually, so I can start the next break. It is quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or timing is 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Followers, foot directions. So we're gonna start right foot back, replace weight forward left, small side step on the right, step forward left, replace back right, small step to the side and the left. So we go back, rock, side, forward, rock, side. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. With the numbers, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you notice you have 2 counts on the side step, right? We'll go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
So we're gonna do the side basic. We're gonna go quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, or 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We're gonna flip around here and do the same thing. Side basic, we're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Or quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. All right, so slowly here together. We went 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Right, if we flip around here again, we're gonna go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
So a lot of people are confused what the difference between Mambo and salsa is. We did do some videos on those specific content if you wanted to see it. But the first thing is the basic, we take a small side step, and that's due to the nature of Mambo because it's a rhythm dance. We do a lot of similar patterns like crossovers, fifth positions, which come from a side step. So it makes sense in terms of what patterns are coming next, which is why we don't close our feet. We take a side step in Mambo. So that's the first difference between salsa and Mambo, just from like a basic sense. The next is the timing. So on our channel, we do salsa on 1 exclusively. There is a version of salsa on 2, but that is not the same as Mambo timing. So it is different. I mean, Chris does a great video on the difference between Mambo timing and salsa on 2. So you can check that out for the specific details. But the timing is unique in Mambo because it's similar to the rhythm of quick, quick, slow as your salsa on 1, but we go 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 instead of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, just using that as an example, okay? So those are the 2 differences. A challenge is finding the beat in Mambo and also staying on the 2 instead of the 1. So salsa music that are heavy on the 2 is easier to find, but it can be a challenge for a lot of people with the musicality. So my recommendation is practicing dancing with music that's specific for Mambo rather than salsa music. It does exist. And also listening to the music and counting 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 instead of 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, which is typically easier to find.
Yes, our last note here is you are allowed still in Mambo to do a closed or a passing basic. It just limits you in terms of what patterns you can do, right? Yeah. So you will still see people competitively or socially go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Definitely still allowed because there are closed patterns. If I did side breaks, I would go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Still exists. I can do passing basics, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So all those things are tools we can use in the dance. Most of the basic or intermediate patterns come from side steps. If you can try this for yourself, it's incredibly uncomfortable to do crossovers from a closed basic to 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Possible.
Is unreasonable.
Yeah.
Unreasonable, right? If I do side basics, I can do some of these patterns significantly easier. This might be the first time you're seeing this. So you're questioning why they're doing what they're doing. These patterns are so much easier. It's easier to delay the weight change, the timing is much clearer, and you get a lot more action for it.
Yeah, so it makes sense with the progression of Mambo, but of course there are patterns and ways that you can use kind of like similar to a salsa basic.
Cool.
All right, guys, check out the next content on our website, ballroomfeed.com. Also subscribe here and like if you want to see more Mambo content, more everything. We do have everything up on our website. And share the word. We love to hear it. Thanks. See you next time.